Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland and let's get started guys. Today we're gonna continue our trading. We continuing from 22 25 26,000 if we're gonna be correct. So let's continue. Let's multiply this money to get closer to our goal. Today we're gonna use following indicators. Pretty nice strategy. The first one is gonna be Keltner channel. We keep the settings as they are. They work out perfectly on a 1 minute time frame, right? So and we're gonna add two stochastic indicators. The first one is gonna be with a period of 7, and the second one with a period of 14. So we're gonna monitor the price dynamics, and it will be less sensitive to market swings, and therefore the upper stochastic will be more sensitive to the price. So our main signals: the crossing of the oversold and overbought zones, inside out or upside down. We'll be able to see that on both stochastics, and of course several tricks on the Keltner channel. So let's continue. Let's begin. Let's choose our first trading. So let's see, nice trading entry. So let's get open here for a long. Let's open a 6 long. We see reversal, we see the touch of that stochastic in the oversold area. It's yellow line with market 20. And basically we're seeing the breakout. We also see the positive dynamics, and what is the most important here, we see the price enter the Keltner channel and also the updating of the local low, which is the second signal here. So let me point that out for you, and the following moment is gonna be the upside, guys. That's why we opened the long position here. So we see a very nice pump here, very good. The stochastic didn't disappoint us. And there's several seconds left before the closing, and 3, 2, 1, and I'm rich again. Much more. We're close to 32,000, right? So let's change a bit stochastic settings. We'd better set a period 5 here, and here we set period 15. Having analyzed currency pairs, I think these settings will be more helpful for us today. So let's carry on our trading, right, and find a better trade entry. We'd better open short position, the next one. For example, here it looks like a short, and let's open a short position. Select the workspace. So we see crossing by the lower stochastic, crossing over the overbought zone. Let me point out for you this one. It tells us that the price should go to the downside. Then if we look at the Keltner, we see the breakout above the channel. Here what happens? So the price movement is above, and after the updating of this local high, I think the price should go lower into the correction. The stochastic tells us about it. If we draw a line here, we'd better to do that more accurately. So if we draw a line, then it's obvious that the price should go lower from this point. Last seconds I guess before closing is 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Profit and in profit again. Nice. I'm happy, very, very happy to see that. Amount we close to $36. Okay, let's continue. Let's trade. Let's continue our analysis. Here we see crossing, so there it is. And we opening long positions here, guys. I think the upside dynamic should follow up. If something goes wrong, we'll use martingale method and open additional trades, right? Okay, we open $6,000 positions, and we'll see where the candle goes up. Okay, let's open much more long positions using the martingale method. There's no other way to trade, guys, because we got a huge amount of money on our balance. Overall, I see a good trade entry here because we see the crossing the oversold zone on the stochastic from the bottom up. And by the way, we can see the same stuff even on the lower stochastic, which is less sensitive. Theoretically, the breakout should follow up, and we saw a good correction here. I'm guessing the price should start going upwards from this point. There are literally 13 seconds left before the closing of our additional trades, guys. Unfortunately, our first positions have been closed at loss. We cough and not the best trade entry, and overall we're gonna watch the price movement. So our additional trades have been closed in profits. However, 4 positions have ended up at 0 because the candle closing happened at the level of our trade entry. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, guys, because the martingale method worked out perfectly and we're in profits at the end. So use this method too. Let's continue our trading session. And let's continue. Let's choose another trading. Okay. Let's see, nice signal here. We continue. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. I'm gonna open 5 long positions here. We're looking at lower stochastic here. We see this crossing of the oversold area. And the price dynamics goes up. Also, we see the positive dynamics on the upper stochastic, so earlier on the correction did happen and the price entered this channel, and from this local low I think the price should continue going up. That's why we opened our long position here. In general, I think we did it well, so let's try to make 60,000 in our balance for today, and I think it's gonna be a great outcome. That's gonna be my new record for my video, right? So 3 seconds left, 2, 1, and son of a crap. Okay, some positions closed at 0. Let's use martingale method and open additional positions. We try to identify the bottom of the candle, and I hope our position will be closed with a profit. In case there is once end up at loss, we will open additional trades for a larger amount of money, and the further price dynamics should eventually go up. So 30 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price dynamics. A lot of money, guys, a lot of money. Okay. Okie dokie. again. Okay, some positions closed, last positions have been closed in profits anyway, not that bad, guys. We'd better change the currency pair and carry on our trading session. Find the next trade entry. Not so well, but let's open here long positions too. Alright, I'll explain you why we opening here. So we see rebounds from the oversold area, also nice support level. And overall we see the price enter the Keltner channel, and therefore we should expect a small correction, and we're not missing this chance. That's why we opened our long position. If we look at the lower stochastic, we can find moving averages at the oversold zone, and we're expecting the breakout to the upside. Right? They're literally 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, all of them. Okay, 3 positions in zero, but other in profit. Okay, that's fine. Let's open our long positions more. In case the candle goes even lower, then we open additional trades like that. Okay, crap. In general, the crossing is happening here. We see the signal, I guess, for the movements. I guess for the dynamics should move to the upside. The updating of the local lows also takes place, and it implies that the correction will happen any seconds. Right. So let's wait. Okie dokie. 10 seconds left. Alright guys, let's wait. Shit. Okay, nice. We are in profits. We closed all positions in profit. That's awesome. Guys. Let's continue. We're not stopping here, of course. Let's select the next currency pair. So here we should see correction soon. So we're opening short positions. I'm gonna open additional ones. I'll tell you why. So opening positions going because of the downward, and both hours. The price is currently above the Keltner channel. Both of our stochastic are at the overbought zone, so we're waiting for the price to go down and open a short. Also, the touch of our resistance zone is happening here. That's why the price is very likely to reverse. Let's watch the price movement. There are literally 20 seconds left, so yeah, let's wait. Let's watch the outcome. How's it goes? How's it going? So let's wait. Okay, 10 seconds left. And let's open additional positions. Updating of the local minimum, maximum point. If we're not gonna make it, we're gonna open for all bank, Okay, I think we have to get 100% profit, like 100%. Okay. Get down. And we're gonna wait for the downward. Very tense moment, guys. This is something really hard. So the first one's in the profits, okay, and we got $28,000 right now on our balance, and there are 30 seconds left before the closing of our last ones, and all our position, I wish, will be in a profit. So yeah, this is very nervous and it's a lot of anxiety. Shit. Okay, I guess we will be in a profit, guys. Alright. And all of them are in profits. $60,000, guys. That's fucking crazy. You see that by yourself. Okay, this is one of my best trading sessions, I guess, in .com. So yeah, let me explain it. So we got a signal, first one, and the second one by stochastic. So the signal flashed out on the stochastic, as I said, then the touch of the resistance zone and updating on the local high, the breakout above the Keltner channel, and according to the strategy, the upcoming correction, all three signals played out here. Here is the first one, the second, and the third. All of them played out perfectly in our positions and ended up in profits. We got $60,000, guys, on our balance, and I guess this is where we stop for today, right? So this would be enough, I wish. Be sure, don't forget about Telegram, YouTube, like, comments, and subscriptions. All links you will find below in the descriptions. Nice video, waiting for your likes, guys. This is something incredible. I didn't saw none of the traders make same trades and strategies. So guys, please share with your friends, leave the comments, leave the likes and subscriptions. We have to increase our traders. Yeah, so waiting for you in the Telegram channel. We can make it together, we can make the same positions. So waiting for you. Nice session. Don't forget about comments, waiting for your emotions there. So have a good market, bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you, to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.